This assessment asks us to sketch a spectrum for the following compound. What I notice in this molecule is the alkene and the alcohol. The alcohol will have a stretch around 3,300 in the IR, so I don't know, around here-ish or so we would expect to see a stretch for the alcohol, and then we'd have some baseline noise, and then we'd have the stretch for the regular alkane peaks around 3,000 or so. And then we'd have nothing for a while on the baseline, and then around 1650 or so, we'd see a peak for the alkene. So that would be around here, we'd see a peak for the alkene. And then we'd finally see one peak in the fingerprint region for the CO sigma bond at around 1100. So within all the rest of the stretches for the fingerprint region, we would expect to see one stretch around 1100 or so for the CO sigma bond. So roughly, this would be what the spectrum for this molecule would look like.